So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get YouTube Premium for absolutely free and make all the ads go away which keep popping up. So first of all, you have to open up your YouTube application, and after that you have to tap on your profile picture available at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, you have to scroll through this page, and the last option in this list is Get YouTube Premium. So you gotta tap on that. And here it says try 1 month for ₹0. Just hang on with me and I will tell you what to do to get it free. So tap on try 1 month for ₹0, and here you have to select whether you want an individual package or family. I'm currently going with individual and tap on try 1 month. And next it will ask you to subscribe to YouTube Premium. Now the trick here is YouTube Premium charges absolutely ₹0 for 1 month. That's a free trial. So you have to simply subscribe to YouTube Premium, and just before this 1 month ends at day 29, you have to cancel this subscription of YouTube Premium and buy a trial on any other account. Now for claiming its free trial, you will need to add your bank card in the App Store or Play Store. For that purpose, you can go to settings and tap on your name and simply tap on payment and shipping. And here you will be able to add your bank card, and after adding its details here in your mobile settings, you will be able to purchase this free trial. So keep getting free trial every month and keep enjoying YouTube Premium for free. Thank you so much.